We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP LaserJet Pro M102 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the drum unit. So if you've been noticing that your attention light's on and you've been getting a low drum or replace drum warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is open this top cover. So in order to do that, you're just going to place your hand anywhere here in this middle section of the printer, up against the top lip of the printer, and you're just going to lift it up until it locks into its open position. Now when you look inside of there, you're actually going to see two handles. The one closer to the bottom is going to be your toner. The one closer to the top is going to be your drum. Generally speaking, it's a good idea to remove the toner first. So we're going to reach down, again, grab the handle at the bottom, and you're just going to pull straight up, and we're going to remove the toner and set it on a clean, dry, flat surface. Now once we have the toner removed, you're going to grab the handle that's a little bit higher, and this is going to be your drum unit. Again, you're going to pull straight out and remove your drum unit. Very, very simple. Once you have your new drum unit unpacked, ready to use, give it one last visual inspection. Make sure there's no packing material anywhere on it, and then we're going to slide this back in. It's important to make sure you'll see two sets of grooves on the sides of the printer. This is again going to go on the further one in. Make sure you have it set in those little grooves. Push straight down until you feel it kind of click down and lock it into position. Once the drum is set, then we can replace our toner. Again, we're going to set this on those grooves closer to the front. Slide it all the way in until it clicks down into its locked position. And now we can go ahead and lower this top cover. Now the printer will take a second to initialize, prepare both the drum and the toner for usage. And once it comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.